Oh, oh my. Yo, the views here, man. Oh my god.
Too late now.
Wait,
See
are
in
we
a
missing
minute.
anybody?
It's massive.
Yeah, me.
Single file line. Come on. I hear it, bro. I hear it.
We out here. Out of nowhere.
Man, they got full on.
Man, hear the falls.
We did one. What? It was. We did one.
Yeah, Andy.
So that's why I tell people, let's do this one first and see if they're even into hiking. What's up?
I need new brakes for sure. I was barely braking and already like throwing on fire. Oh wow. I don't know
Look
how to
at
invest
that.
in it. I think I'll find it.
Now we're gonna go right there and see that water.
Oh wow.
Oh, okay. Oh, alright. We're gonna stop. Oh, we have this. I gotta check my engine. I gotta check my tire pressure. Fuck, man.
You don't see this at home, bro.
Yeah, you don't. Look, we're gonna walk underneath that shit.
Wait, can you get wet?
No, no, no.
No, you don't get wet.
No, just walk against the wall.
Dang, this is crazy, yo. Feels refreshing. Down all the way there. Wow. Nature is so beautiful. All right, we're walking down in there. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. You got a little misty. Oh. Okay, we are on the second waterfall. Check that out. Look it up there. Martin's car. Everybody. Man, this trip has been a blast, yo. You guys, look, you can see the rainbow, man. Wow. Wow. Yeah, bro, of course.
Alright, bro.
Man, the rainbow's popping on this side.
Yeah, bro, fuck yeah.
Okay guys, this is what it looks like when you're on top of the mountain. Look at all the clouds. This is clouds right here. It's much colder up here. Freezing cold. Freezing cold. Whew. See right here, if didn't have any clouds, we would have seen what's down there. Oh, it's cold. This is Gatlinburg. Oh yeah, you're right. There's like nowhere to park.
I'm saying, bro, like-
Every space is all taken.
So I'm saying, like, where do you want to eat? Because we're gonna have to park somewhere,
Not gonna be together.
and they're not gonna be together. But if we go to Pigeon Forge, it's 4 lanes and there's parking lots. Right. But it's nice to pass through. I like Gatlinburg. It's beautiful. Oh. Sorry. Oops. And the keys to over here. And the hole slammed enough, and the look, every single parking has hills. So here's a parking lot that we parked in last time. But look at it. It's packed.
Where was slammed enough? The convention.
Like 20 minutes.
Oh yeah, it's in Silverville.
Are you taking Gatlinburg? No, we're going to Pigeon Forge, I think.
No, we're just passing through it and going to
In
Pigeon
1/4
Forge.
mile, arrive at Gatlinburg.
Because there's a Ripley's right here, and I don't know if you guys want to spend your money on it.
I don't know if they're open. Have they been open? Star Cars. Oh.
Gatlinburg's too touristy for me.
Star Cars.
This is a really nice park over here. It's called Anarchista. I would recommend it if we were here. But look, now we're stuck here.
Oh my gosh, look at that traffic.
Yeah.
Estimated time in traffic, 8 minutes.
Oh, at least we get to see it. It is really nice when it's dark too. All the things light up. And then all up there, there's bridges, and then there's gondolas that take you up to those bridges so you can walk across them. It's called treetops. So you could like walk from treetop to treetop. It's nice. It's a really cool place. That's why people are here. But like I said, we got to park. We got to find that. And then what? You want to spend? Look at the hamburger. Johnny Rocket's hamburger is like $15, $20.
Oh.
You know, because this is Gatlinburg. But I'll tell you what. When we were in Slamden,
We are now in Pigeon Forge. Way roomier than Gatlinburg. Here's some taco dinner for you guys to end this video. Thank you for watching. I hope everybody has been having a great week. Give me that like button and hit that subscribe button if you have not subscribed. And I'll see you guys on the next one.